Hi there, and thank you for joining Seller Pulse. In this video, I'll show you how to use the app so you won't have any problem finding your next winner fast. Our goal is to help you find products on the verge of taking off, so you won't spend time and money competing with other sellers over saturated products. In this quick demo, you'll learn how to use the basic functions of the app. First, start by choosing the categories you're interested in. Then indicate your desired purchase price range. The Others filter will help us find products that have made a decent number of sales without being oversold. This filter corresponds to the total number of orders and is one of the most important filters to use. For this example, we might go for a minimum order of 1,000 to a maximum of 5,000 sales. Finally, enter the number of sales over your desired period of time. For example, 100 sales over the last 3 days, thus products experiencing strong sales. Let's recap. Using this method, we will get products that have made less than 5,000 sales while having made more than 100 sales over the last 3 days, which means products that face a strong demand without being oversold at the same time have made a large number of sales over the last days. If you're willing to find listings with video, select this option. Congratulations, you just made your first search. You can now add products to your tracker using this button. Click on this button to check the trend history of your product, where you can check the price history, the number of feedbacks, the evolution on the orders, and the daily quantity. When assessing the viability of your selected products, bear in mind that we absolutely need to find products with an orders curve like this, which indicates a growing demand, and not like this, which indicates a declining demand. I will show you how to fine-tune your search in another tutorial. Searching for your winners is not a sprint, and you should make plenty of time to evaluate the products before going any further, or it might cost you a lot of time and you might waste a big advertising budget. That's all for today. See you on the next video.